You don't need to be a certified mechanic to handle most car emergencies. I've seen people spend hundreds on problems they could have fixed themselves in minutes. Modern cars try to scare you with lights and beeps, but most issues are simple. Today, I'll show you 5 common car emergencies and how to fix them yourself with affordable tools. These are the things that leave most people stranded and panicking. I'll walk you through each step so you can take control and stop letting your car control you. Let's get started. First up, the dead battery. Forget jumper cables. Get a portable jump starter. It fits in your glove box and starts your car in seconds. No other car or stranger needed. Just pop the hood, clamp red to positive, black to negative, press the power button, and start your car. No sparks, no danger, no waiting. After starting, turn off the pack and remove the clamps. Black first, then red. Keep the jump starter charged and in your car. Check it every few months. It's affordable, safe, and gives you total independence. No more flagging down strangers or waiting for a tow. It's peace of mind for you and your family. Buy one, keep it charged, and cross dead battery off your list of worries. It's the easiest fix in the book. Now, let's tackle another common problem. Next up, a flat tire. Most flats are from nails or screws in the tread. You don't need to change the tire. Get a tire plug kit and a portable inflator, both fit in your trunk. Find the leak look for a nail or use soapy water for bubbles. Pull out the nail with pliers. Use the reamer to clean the hole, then insert the sticky plug. Trim the excess plug. Use the inflator, plug it into your car, set the pressure and fill the tire. The plug holds for the life of the tire. This isn't a temporary fix. No jack, no spare, no wrestling with lug nuts. For the cost of a pizza, you're back on the road in minutes. Every car should have these 2 tools. It's faster, safer, and easier than changing a tire. Let's move on. Overheating engine. Don't panic. Act smart. Pull over immediately and turn off the engine. Never open the radiator or coolant cap when hot. Wait until everything is cool to the touch. Once cool, open the coolant reservoir and check the level. If it's low, add water or coolant up to the max line. Start the car and watch the temperature gauge. If it stays normal, drive to a repair shop. This is a temporary fix. You likely have a leak that needs repair. Most leaks are from hoses, water pumps, or the radiator. By acting fast, you prevent thousands in engine damage. Always keep a jug of water or coolant in your trunk. Patience and a gallon of water can save your engine. Let's tackle the next emergency. The check engine light doesn't have to mean panic or big bills. Buy an OBD2 scanner. Plug it into the port under your dash. Use the app to scan for codes. It'll tell you what's wrong in plain English. Many times, it's something simple like a loose gas cap. Tighten the cap, clear the code, and the light goes off. For other codes, look them up online. There are tutorials for most repairs. If the light is flashing, stop driving and get help. With a scanner, you know what's wrong before seeing a mechanic. You'll sound informed and avoid unnecessary repairs. The scanner turns you from a worried victim into an empowered car owner. It's the best $20 you'll spend. Don't fear the light. Decode it. Dead key fob? Don't panic. Most fobs have a hidden metal key. Slide the switch to pop it out. Use it to unlock the driver's door. Remove the plastic cap if needed. Inside but can't start the car. Press the dead fob directly against the start button and press with your foot on the brake. The car will read the chip and start. Some cars have a special slot. Check your manual. Replace the fob battery, usually a coin cell, as soon as possible. They're cheap and easy to swap. Just pop open the fob and replace. Buy a spare battery now and keep it in your glove box. Don't wait for the fob to die completely. Knowing these tricks saves you from a tow or locksmith. It's all about knowing your backup plan. Let's wrap up. You've just learned how to handle 5 common car emergencies. No mechanic or tow truck needed. With a few affordable tools and a little know-how, you're in control. Being prepared turns a disaster into a minor inconvenience. I've linked all my recommended tools below. Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which emergency you've faced or are prepping for. Stay safe, stay ready, and I'll see you in the next video. Rev up your engines.